There's a man, Alan McDonnell, and he lived in Brunicarry, which is on the Bracara shore of Loch Morar, but further up the loch than Bracara. And when he was shepherding over on the Mewble estate, he would go over there and give them a hand now and again. And he was coming home back to his boat to row across the loch to Brunicarry, and he came across in the heather an old ancient sword in a scabbard, rusty as anything, no worth a toss. And he took it home and he hung it on the wall in the house, on a nail as you would, just hang it on a nail. And for 2 days it went back and forth on the wall. So he had to take it down and put it back where he got it. How's that one?